Hey everyone! Today we are looking at the BESPORTBLE reusable PVC overshoes and rain boot covers. Crafted from lightweight yet durable material, these shoe covers feature an upgraded press technology for total anti-skid protection. They easily fold up to fit right inside your bag for travel or outdoor adventures. Use them for camping, hiking, cycling, or even indoor cleaning to keep your shoes dry and clean. The 360-degree reinforcement prevents wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance wherever you go. Stay protected and keep your footwear spotless in any weather condition. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.